And now it's time to unbox a brand new gadget with Ms. Georgie Barrett. That's 2 R's and 1 T.
Indeed.
So, what's in the box?
A hoverboard, Craig.
A hoverboard. Mm-hmm. This is amazing. What have I been saying since I started doing this series? I want a hoverboard like in Back to the Future. What have I been saying?
You've been saying, I want a hoverboard like in Back to the Future.
That's exactly what I've been saying. And now it's finally arrived. I can swish and whoosh around in thin air. It's going to be brilliant.
Well, when I say hoverboard, it's probably more accurate if I call it a Segway.
A Segway?
Yeah.
Is that the thing that was going to revolutionise personal transport but didn't? The thing that was going to be bigger than the internet but wasn't? The thing that was going to influence the way we designed our towns and cities but hasn't? The thing that was going to be the fastest growing business of all time but isn't? That Segway?
No, actually, no.
Oh, sorry.
So, the company has completely relaunched itself, and instead of it just being a Segway that you can ride around in, it's also a robot with a really fun personality.
Well, why didn't you say so?
I know.
Let's have a look inside.
Let's. Right, it's quite heavy.
Yeah, isn't it just?
Let's put that there. So I guess what is really different about this Segway is that you can control it via your mobile phone as well. So there it is.
Wow.
Right, let me...
What's it called again?
Watch your back. Proper lifting, Georgie.
Oh, God.
Hey?
Georgie,
It's heavy.
Throw your
It's
spine
heavy.
out. Lift it with your legs, Georgie.
So it's called the Segway Loomo, and if we turn it on, it will find its balance, turn its little screen on, and this is the screen that gives it its robot face.
OK.
So it links up over Wi-Fi, or you can get a personal hotspot from your phone. Let me just connect.
It says hello.
I know, it's come to life.
What can you make it do?
So it can do loads of different things. So first and foremost, it's a Segway that you can ride about with. It's got a camera on the front here. It's really smart, so it can find its own way around through obstacle avoidance. And you can also control it via the phone. So we can go forward, back, or you can use voice control or gesture control. You can program it to do quite fun things. So look, on here, I can get it to say things.
What was that stain on your oldest chair?
So it's got a sense of humour as well, has it?
It can do nice little emotions, little heart eyes or sad face.
Oh.
And it can take lovely photos as well. I thought maybe we could do a little Gadget Show family photo.
Come on then, guys.
A Segway Loomo photo. Right. Oh, look, there we are.
There we are.
Hey. OK, hi. Hey.
I mean, it's all very clever and that, but I always feel a bit like a plonker on one, you know? It's just not cool.
I didn't want to say anything, but you do actually look a bit like a plonker on one.
Don't blame the tech.
What I'd say is that's probably because you're just not that confident on actually riding a Segway, because they do require a bit of balance. But I have got Brett here. Brett, come on in.
Yeah, come in, Brett.
Hi, Brett.
Hey.
Who is a Segway expert, a connoisseur, if you will. Would you mind just giving us a little demo of how you should ride a Segway?
OK, go on then.
And also what's quite cool is when he rides, I get the stats on how fast the Segway's going, where it's off to.
That's quite cool, isn't it?
You see, this is how it should be done.
Go out to reception, Brett. Well, look, he's good on it.
Yes, very nimble. So it can go up to 11 miles per hour and it has a range of 22 miles.
OK, how much, Georgie?
£2,000.
£2,000?
Yes, I know. It's a Segway with a robot.
What do you think of this robot Segway vibe, guys?
I don't know, there's so much wrong with it, I don't know where to begin. I mean, the world's not smooth enough for a start.
I like what they're trying to do, but it's still a Segway. I'm not a fan.
OK, then, well, thanks, guys.